So Dustin, we're on site at one of your shower door installs. It looks like we already have the fixed panel up in place right here. Looks like it's been caulked in along the edge and the bottom to keep water inside the shower.
Right.
It's kind of a very clear glass. There's no texture or anything like that on it. So we see the nice tile finish and the nice stone floor right underneath here. Looks like the hardware for the door is already up as well.
Correct.
And this hardware matches what's already in the shower, and then it also matches the sink to our side and the door behind us.
Right.
Is this oil rub bronze?
Yep, this is oil bronze finish. We'll grab the door here in just a second, slide it in the spot, crank it down, get our alignment the way we want it. We'll add a door handle so they can get in and out, and then we'll walk away.
All right, let's get to it.
Sound good? All right.
All right, so you got this job finished up, it looks like. You've got the door mounted, you have the handle on. Is this pretty much all wrapped up for you?
For the most part, we're gonna clean it up really good, double check and make sure the silicone work is on point, no pinholes, no anything like that. We'll add a polycarbonate sweep to the bottom of the door to help with waterproofing. And then outside of that, we're done.
For the homeowner, now that this is finished and this is theirs, what can they do to kind of keep the glass clean over time?
So that's a great question. You can typically do a couple of things. One, if you're someone that doesn't mind using a squeegee, you can jump in here and every time you're done, squeegee it off, super clean. The glass will truly last you forever. The other option is there's a hydrophobic coating that's now taking place in our industry, and there's a couple of versions of it. There's some that actually go on with the tempering process, and then there's some other pieces that your glazing contractors can actually put on.
All right, well, let's get this cleaned up for the homeowner.
Awesome, sounds good.